just wanted to hop on here and give you a really quick review of this cuticle oil. It has quickly become my favorite cuticle oil, actually. I was super drawn to it, not even gonna lie, because the packaging is really cute. Like, it's adorable, it has little bows. I also love that this is a little brush, so that's super cute, super easy to apply. These both smell amazing. My favorite is this one, and this one is strawberry lemonade. Kind of want to go ahead and order every scent she has, because like right now, I keep one of these in my purse, one of these in my nail room, would love to keep one beside my bed, one in my living room. I love cuticle oil. That might be an addiction, I don't know. Anyways, these are great. Could not recommend them more. Y'all, if I have a before video of this cuticle line, I'll try to find it to share. This stuff has healed my cuticle lines. This one was very messed up because I had a bad gel reaction, and I also kind of tore it up with a file. And over the last month, I've been using this, and it has really made a huge difference in this cuticle line. I love this stuff a lot. I am positive I will be ordering more. If you've been looking at them and thinking like, it's cute, but should I go for it? Go for it. I don't think you'll regret it. I 100% love these. So I just wanted to pop in, give you the quick review, because I had a couple people ask me when I showed it before, like, oh, is it good or is it just cute? It's cute and it's good. So like 10 out of 10 for me. So I'll leave her information in the description below. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, that is @creepybitty_nails. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye.